Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Olymp Trade. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Olymp Trade is a popular low-deposit Forex broker with over 60 million clients from more than 190 countries, and is also a Category A member of the Financial Commission that provides up to $20,000 in deposit protection for their clients. They have also partnered with humanitarian organizations like the Smile Foundation, the Egyptian Red Crescent, and Rumah Zakat, along with on-site volunteers globally, to provide education programs and aid for vulnerable communities around the world. Olymp Trade offers a variety of Forex pairs, stocks from leading international companies, metals, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and more that can be traded on the Olymp Trade proprietary trading platform. Olymp Trade offers a user-friendly website, and you can find all the information you need about the trading conditions they offer, the trading resources and market insights they provide, as well as the company's history by choosing an option from the menu bar. You will find the latest company news on the homepage and direct download links for their trading platform. Key features of the platform and supported payment methods are also highlighted on the homepage, and you can use the menus at the bottom of the homepage to navigate directly to different sections of the website. The Olymp Trade customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can find their direct contact details under the Help menu at the very bottom of the homepage. You can contact them via email, live chat, or telephonically, and you can also submit a web ticket or request a callback directly from the website. We would also recommend visiting the Help Center to view guides and tutorials that will help you with setting up your account, using the platforms and tools, as well as making your first deposit and trade. Olymp Trade does not offer a deposit bonus. However, traders who are willing to upgrade their accounts to advanced or expert status will get a 50% discount on the qualifying deposit, and when you deposit $500, you get an extra 30% in your account, and when you deposit anywhere from $4,900, you can receive a 50% bonus. Additionally, Olymp Trade regularly issues promotion codes for bonuses on deposits of any size, so trading with them will definitely give you a competitive advantage with all the extra funds in your account. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with them, simply click on the Assets tab and choose an instrument from the row below the search bar. Olymp Trade currently offers more than 30 currency pairs and a variety of stocks, metals, indices, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, OTCs and Composites. You can select 2 instruments to see if there are any unique combinations, for example ETF stocks or OTC indices. This feature gives you an opportunity to truly diversify your trading portfolio in ways you might not be able to with other brokers. With Olymp Trade, you can use their proprietary trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. This is a beginner-friendly application that offers a variety of built-in trading tools, chart types, layouts, drawing tools, and order types that you can use to manage your risks. This is a multi-asset trading platform, which is one that allows clients to trade Forex as well as other asset classes. The platform provides beginner tutorials and educational resources directly in the user interface to help you get started. Olymp Trade's accounts are suitable for beginners, and a minimum deposit of only $10 is required to trade with them, which makes them a low-risk broker. You can either open a standard ECN account or a VIP account, which is recommended for more experienced traders and professionals. The ECN account offers the tightest spreads, and this type of account also generally has the fastest trade execution times. We recommend this account for beginners and intermediate traders, and it can be used for all styles of trading. Olymp Trade also offers a VIP account, and the minimum deposit on this account is $2,000. This account is recommended for professional traders only, and you will receive trading advice from VIP consultants and market experts if you are a VIP client. Olymp Trade does not offer conventional trading accounts like most other brokers, but instead offer traders account statuses, each featuring its own specific benefits. The higher the account status, the more advantages traders will receive. Muslim clients have the option of opening an Islamic swap-free account, which are very similar to standard trading accounts, except that no rollover fees are charged on positions that are held open overnight. And if you are new to trading, we recommend opening a demo account first so that you can learn the basics of trading and practice in a risk-free market environment using virtual currencies. When you use a demo account, it'll be just like using a real account. However, you don't need to risk losing any money until you are ready to make your first official deposit. Creating an account with Olymp Trade is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, launch the Olymp Trade homepage, and then click on the registration button or the Start Trading button. Next, you will want to complete the online application form, which would be simply to enter your email address and password. And once you have registered an account, you will be redirected to the Olymp Trade proprietary trading platform. Within their trading application, you can easily manage and set up demo accounts, live accounts, view educational resources via the Help Center, and so much more. On the left side of the dashboard, you can switch between your favorite market instruments on the fly. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph, and on the right side of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple trading order window. As mentioned before, Olymp Trade provides an extensive range of educational resources directly within the platform. These cover a variety of different beginner trading topics, such as assets, insights, support, and more. When you first create your account, you are given an introductory step-by-step tour of the trading platform to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Once you have successfully placed a trade through the tutorial, you will be given an option to either make a deposit into a live account or to trade on a demo account. With regards to educational resources, excluding the content available in the platform, if you are looking for helpful trading tutorials to help you learn the basics of trading and using the platforms and tools provided, then we would recommend visiting the Help Center. The Help Center can be used to learn about trading patterns, indicators, technical and fundamental analysis, drawing tools, and all the other concepts you would need to know about becoming a successful trader. They also provide user guides to help you with creating your account and making your first deposit and trade. The guides and tutorials are available in more than 10 international languages. If you are looking for market news, Olymp Trade provides an insights feed that covers up-to-date trading insights. And if you are looking for more in-depth educational content, you can visit the Olymp Trade blog, which features a plethora of educational written content and video tutorials for you to browse through whenever you like. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received a variety of reputable professional trading community awards, and some of their most recent awards include the Best Mobile Trading Platform by World Finance in 2021, the Best Investment Broker by the Forex Awards in 2021, the Best Customer Support Broker in 2020, the Best Forex Trading Platform in 2020 by Forex Expo, and many, many more. Overall, Olymp Trade is trusted by over 50 million traders worldwide, and they offer a unique and generous trading bonus program that gives you an opportunity to get more out of every deposit you make with them. Not only do they offer a wide range of instruments with high-quality resources and tools, but you also have the option of using the Olymp Trade trading platform, and you will have access to exclusive market insights from a team of experts. If you are interested, be sure to open your Olymp Trade account today to claim your bonuses and get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of Olymp Trade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.